I want a ballerina, I think I need her now. Yeah, oh, she's so pretty, you should see her. Wow, it take practice, let me show you how to beat her down. I'm a legend, let me hold you how to beat back. I want a ballerina, I think I need her now. Yeah, oh, she's so pretty.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Gina.
Oh, and EJ.
And today we are back at it again with another one. But anyways, y'all, today we are back at it again with another one. This is another video. And first off, I just want to do an initial review on my skin. As you guys know, I am currently using this product. Can y'all see that? Anyways, I'm currently using MD Acne. This is a 1 week postpartum. Anyways, this is 1 week review. So basically, what I've noticed is that I'm getting less dark spots, but more pimples. Yeah, like I got more acne, and but the good thing is I'm starting to have like less acne spots. That's what I really wanted to get rid of at first, and then I'm gonna try to get rid of my pimples later on. But I really wanted to get rid of my acne marks. So far, the dark spot remover for the MD Acne is actually working. But we're not here for that. Today, we are going to record Bay waxing me. So he gonna wax me. Yeah, we've been on quarantine for the longest. So your girl a little woof. So we went to Walmart to try something new. We're gonna try this out. It's the Sally Hansen wax, and it's extra strength. And see if it. Anyways, we're gonna try this out and see if it actually works. We're gonna do bikini and legs. I have just a little bit of hair under my armpit, so I'm gonna have him wax my bikini line. I'm gonna get a bikini wax and a leg wax and my armpit wax. So I hope he does this right, because when I usually be getting it from them people, the wax lady, they be so rough. Oh, and one thing that I forgot to tell y'all, my face is peeling, so it's kind of white. Baby, you look handsome, but there's no light. There's no sunlight.
You look handsome too.
I look handsome.
You gave me a compliment. I said you too.
How rude. You look cute with them glasses, but there's no sunshine out here in here, baby.
Yes, there is. You want to see all this light right there? You want to see all this light?
Oh my goodness. Let's get to this video. Let's go do the wax. Come on, let's go.
No.
Alright, so y'all, we're gonna do it in the couch, because our couch is a laying down couch.
You're going to do it on the couch, baby?
Yeah, we're gonna do it on the couch.
Alright, let's do it on the couch.
So I'm just gonna lay down.
Oh yeah.
What you want to start with, my leg?
I want to start with the good stuff.
Okay, we can do the good stuff. Yeah, I don't mind my hair because I just took it out. And I don't know when I'm gonna do it. Probably gonna do it for my birthday. I'm just gonna throw something on real quick. You know, whenever I'm ready, so.
I see you got easy access on, so that's good. Easy access.
What are you doing? Okay, so basically this, let me read the instruction before we start, because we gotta.
And I'm supposed to be the one that's reading it.
Okay, so it says microwave the jar for 30 seconds and wait to cool down before removing. Alright, so you ready? Go microwave the thing for 30 seconds.
The whole thing? So we're using the whole
The jar. Yeah, we're gonna use the whole thing because we gotta do my leg too.
Why you doing your legs?
Don't do my leg.
No, leave them alone. You're gonna make them come back more. Your legs look
I
fine.
always wax my leg. Well,
your
not
legs
wax,
look
but
fine.
shave my leg.
Why would you do that? You're gonna fuck up your leg. You tripping.
It's not fucked up because I haven't.
They're gonna grow back
it.
more.
But I haven't waxed it for like 4 or 5 months, and it's not even growing back more.
Exactly. Just leave it alone. Like your hair looks good. Your hair looks bald. Hold on. Let me show them this. Hold on. Where's the hair? Let me see.
You see it.
Where? Bruh.
Maybe I have to
Hold
cover.
on. Let me show you. Let me see if I can see my hair. Right? Oh, yeah. You could definitely.
But this is my thigh.
Bruh.
Look at my leg. I don't never shave my thigh.
You don't have no hair.
But anyways, go microwave it.
I'm not good with the microwave. Okay, you see. That thing gonna blow up.
Why?
The microwave don't like me.
Go microwave the damn jar, baby.
Alright, I'll be back.
This is how the jar looks, y'all.
The top is broken.
Alright, y'all. So we have Firehouse Sub. We don't really like Subway, so we usually always buy. Are you talking to yourself? You talking to yourself there?
No, I was just saying, I should be in the commercial, you know? We should advertise for them.
For who?
Firehouse Sub, because they sub fire, dog. Shit fire.
Yeah.
If you've never been and you go, ask them for the hero sandwich. Tell them EJ.
This is the hero sandwich?
Yeah. Tell them EJ sent you. Alright, just be like, let me get
What
the
do you
hero.
get?
EJ sent me.
What do you get out of it? We have this right here.
Alright, so it's extremely hot,
And
but
then
it's
we
okay for me to
have
put it on you. Come
the
on.
finishing oil.
Feel it, it's hot. But it's okay for me to put it on you.
It's not okay.
Because the hotter the better. You feel
No,
that?
you're not putting the hot stuff on my vagina.
Yeah,
And then we have the waxing paper. That thing hot, babe.
It's okay.
So that's all it comes in.
Come on, we don't have time to wait.
Oh my God.
Come on, I can't wait. I'm a.
Ah.
Is it best to?
Ah.
Let me get in that woof. So I just pour it like this.
Woof. No. You're gonna use the stick. You're gonna use the stick. I'm scared. I always get like this every time it's time for me to get. Let me show them it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, it's supposed to be. Bring the table closer so you can put it there so it doesn't get knocked off. Oh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla. Ooh, it smells good.
You should eat it.
So, it actually smells good, y'all.
Girl, you should eat it, baby. Try it. Let's do a review and taste it. The rules never said don't eat, not to eat it. Did you read the instructions? Let's do it.
Okay, so you're gonna.
I'm tired of waiting. Okay.
And then start right here. Do little by little, like do right here.
Tell me if it's hot though.
Baby, you putting it all over my hair.
What? Like this? It's hot? It's hot?
You gotta do it little by little.
I am doing
Okay, that's it. That's it. Now put the paper on. Hurry up
That's
before
it?
it dries. Yeah, that's it. And then you're gonna put the paper on like this.
When I just rip it? Where do I rip it? This side or this side?
I don't know what my. Oh my Lord.
Rip it this way? Like rip it hard?
Yeah.
Like just. Do you like up? Okay, we're gonna try what you like the best. This way or this way?
Okay,
Let's
try
it.
that way.
So this way?
Uh-huh.
It's not glued yet. I don't think it's hard. Does it have?
I'm hot. Like I'm starting to sweat, bro. Like I can feel it. Oh my God, I'm kind.
I don't think it's ready.
Don't tell me when you're gonna pull it.
I'm not gonna pull it.
Just pull it. Just pull it.
That's worse.
Yeah, that shit hurts.
Do I do another part right here? Or
Yeah,
going?
you guys keep going, but you're gonna clean it up out. Yeah.
You ready?
All right,
It's
I'm
not
ready.
sticking. Let me see.
Shit!
You said not to do it hard. It ain't gonna work. I have to do it hard.
Shit! Okay. Y'all, I am in so much pain. You just don't understand, like, that shit hurts, like, fuck.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This was a bad idea. What you think, baby?
I think it was a great idea. It saves me money.
Yeah, it saved you money, but I'm in so much fucking pain, y'all.
More money in my pocket.
Right now I'm bleeding. So it's taking out my skin more than my hair. At this point, I'm just tired. I'm fed up. I don't do the pain. I'm just about to get some laser hair removal and call it a day because this is just not it. It's not it. Like, you're making me shit on my... I'm ready for you. Wow, they accident.
Ooh, that looks pretty. I'm enjoying this a little too much.
Okay, you guys, so I promise you this is not a booger. Alright, you guys, so we're done waxing. It literally took us like, how long it took us, babe?
6 hours, because you pussy.
It literally took us about 6 hours to do it because we had to take a break because I could not handle the pain. And then we went right back at it again. And I was like, you know what? Just take the whole thing and just rip it all at once. And we're done. So we're about to go shower so I can wash the residue off my body. So let me tell you how I usually do MD acne. Normally, me and Bae usually wash our face with the cleanser in the shower. And then after the shower, after we take a shower and stuff, I use the dark spot remover every other day. And then the day that I'm not using the dark spot remover, I use the cream, the face cream. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see this? I don't know. So basically, this is what I use. After I shower, every time yeah. Look, you see? My skin is peeling. And then the pimples are right here. I see this. But anyways, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.